Are you tired yet of being tired? I actually get this statement a lot from my patients when they talk about not having the energy to do the things they want to do, even the things they plan to do, not having the energy to do it, not wanting to hang out after work, not able to stay up, and how bothersome it is to them that they just seem exhausted. It makes them feel old. The most common cause of that, aside from being busy, having children to take care of, and having a business or all that, is menopause. Another cause of that could be heavy periods. Heavy periods can make you lose a lot of iron, lose energy. So that's another thing. So that's why I always check hormone levels. I always check blood work when my patients come to me complaining of being tired. In some women, we find that it's because of their heavy periods. And in some women who are no longer having periods, we find that it's because their hormones are low. Estrogen is low. Testosterone is low. And these are hormones that help you function at your best. And so for those patients, I recommend hormone replacement. Like I show them, this is what the lab is showing. This is what your symptoms are showing, that you are deficient in these hormones that you need to be thriving. And it's just because of nature. That's the woman's lot. Ovaries decline, and so estrogen and other important hormone levels also decline. So I offer them hormone replacement therapy. And like I've said before, we have safer ways to give you hormone replacement therapy. If you're under the supervision of a specialist, a gynecologist who specializes in hormone replacement, who's checking your blood work, who's checking your blood pressure, who's checking your mammogram, your chances of something bad happening are lower. But I have patients who are doing fantastic, who are thriving, who are no longer a shadow of themselves. And that's because of hormone replacement. Now, I don't want to seem like I'm pushing hormone replacement on you. There are non-hormonal therapies that I offer as well. Like I said, we just have to make sure you're a good candidate for it. But one of the ways that I also help my patients reduce the risk of hormone issues is to give it via pellets and to give testosterone pellets, so we can avoid all those issues that we worry about with estrogen. In the 80 years that testosterone has been around, it has not been associated with heart attack, blood pressure problems, stroke problems, or breast cancer. And it solves the problems of menopause, the hot flashes, the night sweats, the sleep problems, the concentration problems, and it helps your sex drive. So it helps improve your relationship with your partner because you are now more interested, in being intimate and being sexually active with your partner. And so don't go through this phase of life as if your life is ending, as if that's just it for you. There are options available. Have the conversation. Let's check your blood work. Let's make sure that it's safe for you, and then go for it so that you can be your best self. And come and see me. I'm in the Chicagoland area. You can call me or text me, 708-340-1167, or go to the link in my bio to schedule a consultation. Share this video with your friends. I know you know people who are going through this, so share this video with your friends, and then get some help. I am here for you. Okay, see you soon.